There's one right there. That's a rockfish. That's a rockfish. Oh, he jumped. He's jumping. That's got to be a rock. There's another one. What? I'm just gonna have to keep trolling back. Oh my gosh, he feels bigger. Oh, good Lord, he feels bigger. I'm gonna have to keep trolling back and forth here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Air temperature is about 50, water temperature is 58. Came here yesterday and cleaned up. I mean, did awesome using these jointed blue rattle floater diver minnows lures. So this one here, I hooked 3 on, nice ones, lost all 3. So I put brand new hooks on that one today. I put a new clip on my microphone. My clip had broke. So we are going to go out here today. It's going to be high tide at 10:30, I think. It's 8 o'clock right now. Or is it 9:30? 9:30, I think it's going to be high tide. So we're going to go out here today and we're going to try and catch some more fish. I'm not going to use the 4.5 foot Eagle Claw Ultra Featherlight today. I'm just going to use my Shakespeare ultralight graphite and my Shimano 5.5 foot, which is actually a medium action. But anyways, we're gonna go out here and troll around with these lures. That is only 3 foot, but without weeds, it's definitely trollable. I don't know if I'm. Ooh, there's one right there. That's a rockfish. That's a rockfish. Oh, he jumped. He's jumping. That's got to be a rock. Uh-oh. It's gonna start like this again, is it? Okay, we're going back through there. Oh, I'm losing these fish. Doing something wrong. I have to call my buddy Bill Dance and say, Bill, I'm losing a lot of fish. What am I doing wrong? I may end up just concentrating on 5 foot. Oh my God, that was a big rockfish. I just saw him. I know he came out of my camera. Let's see, he's in 4 feet of water. We're gonna troll right up through there. There, now the weeds are stopping. I got 5 feet of flat bottom. Oop, and there's a fish. Sure ain't no 25 incher, but it's a fish. Right now he feels pretty small, but he's spinning my kayak a whole lot, so my kayak spins, it goes back towards him. It makes it feel like a much smaller fish. So now he's starting to fight a little bit. We're going to go on top of this line. He's starting to fight now. Man, I think I need to go back this way. There we go. Yeah, he's starting to fight now. 5 feet of water. Oop, there he is, right on top. Trying to keep that other line out of the way so I can just get him in here. Boy, they're spunky when the water's this temperature. Holy cow. I need to... Oh, there he got off. No, he didn't. I thought I lost him. Boy, they're tricky. He's getting tired now, though. He's not really pulling a lot more drag. Just got to keep him over here. Probably should give him a net. He may be nettable. I'm not going to try and lip him with all them treble hooks. I missed him. Come on, baby. There he is. He's definitely nettable. He's actually not bad. Oh my gosh, he's heavy again. These fish are so heavy. He must be fat this time of year. He's nettable. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, maybe 5 feet is the spot. And get my lure all tangled up in my net. I think he did. I think he did. So he was hooked good. He wasn't getting off. Sorry, fella. I didn't mean to hook you that bad. I really didn't. Ooh, he's still pretty spunky though, so we're gonna get a quick measurement on him. Wow, he's 22. He's 22. Nice fish. And as you can see, he's plenty spunky. Okay. Okay, it's time we get back to Grassy Point and see if anybody... Oh, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. I don't know how big he is yet, but he's probably pretty good size. Can't tell till you get him into the kayak, it seems like. Maybe he's not pretty good size. Maybe he's not pretty good size. He is fighting now, at least. Before he was just coming in. Yeah, he's pretty good size again. We're going to try and fish grip him. Hopefully we won't lose him. Hopefully we won't lose him. It looks like he's hooked pretty good again. Come on, baby. Oh! That wasn't good. Well, we're going to do it this way then. He's not as big as the last one. And if I picked him up once and dropped him and he didn't break my line, okay then. Pick him up by the line. 6-pound test, so. That's just how we're going to do this. See that? We're getting you off in a hurry. We're going to measure you. We're going to release you in a hurry. He is, let's see, he's 18. He's 18. I got a line going across my head again. Ouch. He's 18. I'm going to put him back in the water. Head starting to itch. And the sun's coming out. It's getting hot. I think there's enough sun to charge my... There's another one. Well, I'm just going to have to keep trolling back. Oh my gosh, he feels bigger. Oh, good Lord, he feels bigger. I'm going to have to keep trolling back and forth here. I'm not going to go to the Grassy Point. Holy cow. Please let me get him, at least see him. He was ripping some line. Now he's coming towards me. Stay down, don't come up. Oh, he's up top. I'm going to have to net him, I think. Even though I hate to with treble hooks. Boy, did I find a whole school of them this size? I don't know where my other line went. I don't even see it. Which is a good thing, I guess. He's probably, hopefully he's going in the net. Yep, he's in the net. Come on, fella. Holy cow, he's heavy. I don't know how big he is, but he is heavy. Okay, we're getting this down to a science now. Grab him with the fish grippers. Yeah. Wow. I think I only got him with one hook, but my net's really causing me. I gotta find the hook. I think it's right there. Oh, please don't do that. I almost got you. Oh my God, there's my other lure. This is really weird. There's my other lure. Somehow I got both lures in the net right now. He's not hooked bad. There. Come on, don't. I don't want to get you hooked again. I have got an absolute mess. He's almost 21. I think he's about 20. We'll call him 20. We'll call him 20. He's 20. And there he goes. I'm a little stunned when you release him. I have no clue what is going on here. Somehow my second lure is in the net. Has anybody ever had this happen to them? I almost got the lures out of the net. Once I get them out of the net, I'm halfway there. There. Okay. Look at that, would you guys? Look at that. Look at that, would you? I don't know how this happened. Next thing I know, I had both lures in the net. And I may just have to cut line. There's a fish. Once again, he feels pretty good size now. He didn't at first. Uh-oh. He coming towards the kayak? I think he is. I think he's coming towards the kayak. I think he's still coming towards the kayak. When are they going to start pulling decent? Now he's pulling. He's turning me all over the place. Turns back around that way. That'll be good. My line won't get caught. What's this? Drag too loose. He's not pulling that hard yet. He's pulling, but not that hard. Now he is. Now he is. He saw the kayak. Good Lord, he's going crazy now. Up, and he just snapped my line. He got all tangled up in it. I saw him out there. He got all tangled up in the line, and he started just wiggling, and he just broke my line. Oh, that's so disappointing. Because now he's got a lure in him. He was a nice one too. Gosh darn it. He got you could see my rod. He got tangled up in my line. Never had one do that before. But thanks for watching this video. You all know the drill. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up like. If you enjoy the content on my channel, think about hitting the subscribe button. And then if you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified when I put new videos out. Leave comments. I love getting comments. And I'll see you on the next video.